Hello guys, welcome to my Audgram review. In this video, I'm going to show you a walkthrough of what this product, Audgram, can do. And I'm also going to show you the insane bonuses I have prepared for you. Now let's get started. In a nutshell, Audgram is a tool that helps you spread your message to a wider audience. It helps you get more engagement on social media. It helps you make more sales or get signups for your service, and ultimately it helps you save time. And this is how it does it. It turns your audio assets like podcast, interviews, or your text into captivating videos for social media channels. Social media is very visual, and for you to have engagement, views, sales on social media, you need to create visual content, and this is where Audgram comes to play to help you create captivating social media videos called audiograms from your existing material so that you don't have to create. And this product was created by Mark Thompson. Mark Thompson, right here, I'm on his Facebook account, and you can see he's a real human being. He's one of the experienced developers who have created many solutions for businesses. And you can check him out. You can check his Facebook account out. You can see the kind of person he is. So he's someone that you can trust. I've also prepared for you some insane bonus bundle if you choose to use the link in the description below to get Audgram. And this bonus package will help you to go from just getting the product and results by using the product. This is what I mean. The first bonus I have for you is a full 30 days audiogram content plan. This gives you 30 days of content on how you're turning your audio assets into social media captivating videos. So you have a template for 30 days, you know what to put. And the next bonus I have for you is how to grow your social media following. I have 240 social media ChatGPT prompts that you can start using to help you grow your social media following. So as you're using the Audgram to create captivating videos, how can you make sure that you're growing your social media following? These 240 ChatGPT prompts will help you to do so. And I believe ultimately, when you grow your social media following, you want to make sales but by turning your followers into lifelong customers. So this third bonus is prompt for high ticket sales on social media. This is 160 ChatGPT prompt for high ticket sales on social media, and you get all this free if you choose to use the link in the description below to get Audgram. So you can just simply click on any of this pink button and you'll be able to get Audgram and your insane bonuses I have. This insane bonuses I have prepared for you will take you from getting the product to start getting results using the product. And let us quickly look at I know you may be asking, how do I go from having an audio file or a text and turning it into captivating audiograms? Simply, you need to upload your audio, or if you have a text, upload your text. And as soon as you do so, and then you need to clip the audio, it simply means you should select the most engaging part of your audio using the editor tool on the on Audgram. And the next thing is for you to review your captions. The next thing is for you to select your template. Get a template from Audiogram and use the template for your captivating video, and try to be consistent in the template you use so that you can create a personal brand. And then you have the editing tool that you can use in customizing the template, which means that you're editing the template, and from there you simply export your. And then let me talk about the prices so that you are aware of what to expect. The front end product is a one-time fee, which means that as soon as you get it, you have it for life. That is the professional front-end products, and it will easily convert your audio files into audiogram videos, automatically transcribes and add captions. They are water-free videos, and it comes with your all the packages come with the dimensions of each social media platform, so you need not worry about the dimension you should use. And there's something called order bump up, which means that in addition to the front end products, you'll be asked if you want additional AI voices or you want additional templates. Those are the order bump up for the front end. And really, the first upsell product is called Audgram Ultra. Audgram Ultra gives you 60 minutes of record in a sitting. And the most important, the part I liked about Audgram Ultra is the voice cloning, which means that you don't have to always record your podcast before you turn it into captivating videos. You can simply, from time to time, use text, a sample audio personally from you. It means that you don't have to always be in your studio recording. So far, you have the text. You can write out the text, and since you have trained the AI to sound like you, then you can always use your voice clone. It gives you freedom. I believe Ultra gives you that freedom. And you also have the upsell 2, which is the easy um, video sales letter, which helps you in creating videos for sales, such as explainer videos, speech to text video creation, and you have presentation. And there's another upgrade called Easy Image AI. This helps you generate unlimited images. You have something called a Smart AI Prompt Enhancer, which is very unique in this package, which help you enhance the image you create. So this is very important. And also we have the upsell 4, which is the social tail. Social tail is help you cover every aspect of social media management, from content creation to scheduling to analytics and engagement. So this is a full suite for you to manage your social media pages, and it is a one-time payment, so you need not get another tool for post scheduling. Everything comes with the social tail. So there's a bundle offer currently running that gives you a one-time fee to get all these upgrades at once. Yes, and it's gonna be available during the launch. So if it is still available when but by the time you're watching this video, you can simply go ahead, and that is the best deal. But at the same time, you could simply start with the front end. All right, so and that is it. And do not forget, if you choose to use the link in the description to get your Audgram tool, you are going to get the full 30 days Audgram content plan. You are going to get prompts to grow your social media following, 240 of them. You are going to get prompts for high ticket sales on social media, 160 GPT prompts for high ticket sales on social media. And you can just click this pink button. Thank you for watching my Audgram review. Do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.